Goodbye cholesterol, blood glucose, lipids, and triglycerides. This is a real-life story sent by one of our readers, and this is how it goes. This happened a few months ago when my professor showed me a blood test results, and I must say it impressed me. When I saw the numbers of all blood parameters, urea, cholesterol, blood glucose, lipids, and triglycerides, I was shocked. They all had values which far exceeded the normal levels. Well, I actually thought that the person with these results should be dead already, or if he is still alive, it's probably just out of pure stubbornness. My professor got his name hidden with his hand. And when he removed the hand, I was shocked again. That patient was the professor. So I asked him, "Are you serious? But how, and what did you do?" He smiled at me and he showed me another sheet analysis saying, "Just take a look at this and compare the numbers of the parameters and check the dates on both sheets." And that's what I did. The parameter values on the second blood test result were clearly within the recommended range. The blood was perfect, flawless. But I was really shocked when I looked at the dates. The difference between the dates was just 1 month. So I asked him again, "How did you do it? This is really amazing." Then he told me that his doctor was the person responsible for this miracle. Actually, his doctor suggested a treatment from another doctor that was his close friend. So he said that he used the same treatment for a couple of times with impressive results. After that, I'm using this miraculous treatment once a year at least. And then I usually check my blood, and if either is present tendency to break down, return immediately to repeat this process. I highly recommend that you should try it. This is my professor's little secret. Every week for 4 weeks you should buy raw pumpkin at the supermarket or the bazaar. You need to peel 120 grams of pumpkin, place the pieces in a blender raw and add some water. Blend until you get a nice and homogeneous mixture. You need to drink this vitamin smoothie 15 to 20 minutes before breakfast every day. Make sure you do this treatment for a month or every time you think you need to lower your cholesterol. And the best thing about this treatment is that you control the outcome, making analysis before and after treatment with other pumpkin. My professor told me that there is no contraindication because it is just a natural vegetable and water, do not use sugar. My professor is an excellent chemical engineer, so he studied the pumpkin to find out which of the active ingredients it contains and found that the pumpkin compounds eliminated all LDL cholesterol from the arteries, through the urine. He found that this miraculous remedy cleansed his arteries and he was feeling refreshed and full of energy. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.